Students, this is the second phase of our story, The Portrait of a Lady. And in this second phase, we will learn that when the writer and his grandmother settled in the city, many changes came in their relationship. Okay, so paragraph wise, we can read what are the changes. When my parents were comfortably settled in the city, they sent for us. That was a turning point in our friendship. Although we shared the same room, my grandmother no longer came to school with me. I used to go to an English school in a motor bus. There were no dogs in the street, and she took to feeding the sparrows in the courtyard of our city house. So, students, first of all, when they settled in the city, that was a turning point in their friendship. Although they are sharing the same room, but now grandmother stay in the house and writer go to school, and now he is going by a bus, and in an English school there were no reading scriptures and no religious books, and now the grandmother cannot feed the street dogs, so that's why she is feeding the sparrows in his house in the courtyard. Okay, as the years rolled by, we saw less of each other. For some time, she continued to wake me up and get me ready for school. When I came back, she would ask me what the teacher had taught me. So, students, as the years pass, writer and his grandmother cannot cannot talk each other, and now writer is becoming very busy, so they saw less of each other, and for some time she continued to wake him up and get ready, but now that thing is also closed. Whenever writer came from the school, his grandmother asked about the subject which had taught him in the school, but what happened? Look at the book, look at in the paragraph. I would tell her English words and little things of Western science and learning, the law of gravity, Archimedes' principle, the world being round, etc. This made her unhappy. So, when he gave the answer that he is learning the science, law of gravity, Archimedes' principle, the world being around, etc., etc., this made her unhappy. Why unhappy, students? Because she thought that study means the study of religious books and scriptures, but now in the English medium school there were no reading scripture and no religious books. She could not help me with my lessons. She did not believe in the things they taught us at the English school and was distressed, and there was no teaching about God and scriptures. One day I announced that we were being given music lessons. She was very disturbed to her music had lewd association. It was the monopoly of harlots and beggars and not meant for a gentle folk. She said nothing, but her silence meant disapproval. She rarely talked to me after that. So, students, there in this paragraph there are very disturbing points for the grandmother. What are that? First of all, there were no teaching about God and scripture. Second day, when writer announced about the music lesson, according to the grandmother, music had very lewd association. Lewd means music is meant for mean people, and it is not for a gentleman. Okay, it is the monopoly of harlots. Harlots means the person whose profession is dancing and singing, and music is for beggars. So after announcement of music lessons, grandmother rarely talked to the writer. Okay, so students, let's continue with our chapter. So when I went up to the university, I was given a room of my own. The common link of friendship was snapped. My grandmother accepted her seclusion with resignation. She rarely left her spinning wheel to talk to anyone. From sunrise to sunset, she sat by her wheel spinning and reciting prayers. Only in the afternoon she relaxed for a while to feed the sparrows. While she sat in the veranda breaking the bread into little bits, hundreds of little birds collected round her, creating a veritable bedlam of chirpings. Some came and perched on her legs, other on her shoulders. Some even sat on her head. She smiled but never shooed them away. It used to be the happiest half hour of the day for her. So student, in this paragraph, the writer is describing that when he went up to the university, the common link. What was the common link? The common link was the room which they are sharing. Okay, so when he went up to the university, he has given a room of his own. So now he is living in the university and the grandmother is living in his house. So my grandmother accepted her seclusion with resignation. So grandmother accepted her loneliness with his resignation. And after that, she is spending her time in spinning the wheel and by reciting the prayers. Okay, but in the whole 24 hour, in the whole day, she is feeding the sparrows for half an hour, and that is the most good and the most happiest hour in all the day. Okay, and the birds liked him very much. Some birds sat on her shoulder, some came and sat on her head and on her legs. So like this she is spending her time. Second paragraph, when I decided to go abroad for further studies, I was sure my grandmother would be upset. So here is another twist. What was the twist? Writer has a chance to go for abroad for further studies, and he was very sure that when the grandmother heard this news, she would become upset. I would be away for 5 years, and at her age, one could never tell. And her grandmother was very old, and nobody tell what would happen after 5 years. But my grandmother could. She was not even sentimental. She came to leave me at the railway station, but did not talk or show any emotion. So students, when grandmother came at the railway station, she didn't show any kind of emotion. Okay, her lips moved in a prayer, her mind was lost in prayer. So she was very busy in prayer. Her fingers were busy telling the beads of her rosary. She is moving her fingers in rosary. Rosary means mala, जो कई बुजुर्ग लोग रखते हैं अपने हाथ में. Silently she kissed my forehead, and when I left, I cherished the moist imprint as perhaps the last sign of physical contact between us. And writer is saying that when his grandmother came to the railway station, silently she kissed his forehead, and writer was thinking that that was the last physical contact between them. So students, हमने देखा कि राइटर की जो ग्रैंडमदर है वो पहले बहुत परेशान हुई जब उनका एडमिशन यूनिवर्सिटी में हो गया राइटर का, क्योंकि उनके बीच में एक कॉमन रूम था, उनकी फ्रेंडशिप का एक कॉमन लिंक था, उनका एक रूम वो ख़त्म हो गया. उसके बाद राइटर को अब्रॉड जाने का मौका मिला. अब्रॉड जाने पर भी वो ज़्यादा दुखी नहीं हुई, उन्होंने कोई सेंटिमेंट शो नहीं किया, कोई किसी तरीके की फीलिंग शो नहीं की. बस उन्होंने राइटर को जाते वक्त उनके फॉरहेड पे, माथे पे एक किस किया, और वो शायद राइटर को लग रहा था कि उनका लास्ट फिजिकल कांटेक्ट है. ओके.